Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are comparing two tools that help you organize and share knowledge, Bookstack and Wiki GC. Let's find out which one is better in 2025. Bookstack lets you organize your content like real library with shelves, books, chapters, and pages. It's very easy to use and perfect for people who like things clean and simple. You can write pages using a normal editor or Markdown, and it has built-in search. It's great for small teams or solo users who don't need too many features. Downside, it's not very flexible. You can change its layout or structure much. WikiGC is more modern and advanced. It supports real-time editing, Markdown, Git sync, Google login, and more. It works well for bigger teams and more technical users. But it can be harder to set up and sometimes needs more memory or power to run. Some people say it's a bit tricky to manage at first. So, which one should you choose? Pick Bookstack if you want a simple tool that's easy to set up and use. Pick WikiGC if you want more power, more features, and you are okay with a bit more tech stuff. Both are good, free, and open source. It just depends on what you need. If this video helped, click like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.